And according to the AARP, Americans 60 and older lose nearly $3 billion a year to financial fraud. The scams happen through phone calls, junk mail, and businesses that seem legitimate. Consumer Reports investigates the growing problem in its latest issues. Mandy Walker is the magazine's senior editor and joins us this morning. So you say that in the past several years, more seniors have been targeted with these scams. How so?
Yeah, that's true. And it's because seniors during the financial meltdown were particularly vulnerable. They didn't have an income coming in anymore. So when their savings dropped, they were really hit hard. And any house they bought in retirement may now be in foreclosure or be underwater. So they really are a ripe group for scammers to target.
So how do reverse mortgages fit into this?
Reverse mortgages work that you have a mortgage and you're cash strapped, so you approach the bank to do a reverse mortgage, which means instead of you paying the bank each month, they pay you. They may pay you a fixed amount for life, but the equity is being drained, and when you sell or you die or you move, the loan is repaid with interest.
I understand. I mean, you see a lot of celebrities promoting these reverse mortgages on TV.
Yeah, and Consumer Reports and other financial groups tend to say use them as a last resort. They're expensive, they're complex, and they can have scams associated with them where scammers will suggest you take out a reverse mortgage and either get you to sign the property over to them in some sneaky way, or at settlement, drain the equity.
There's also self-directed IRAs.
Yeah, self-directed IRAs, instead of a traditional IRA where you hold cash, mutual funds, bonds, a self-directed IRA can hold different kinds of investments like real estate or some precious metals, but they're held in a custodial account or they're held in a trust. And those people will make sure your paperwork's in order, but they won't investigate the investment for you. You're responsible to do that. So scammers may try and pressure you to buy an investment that's not right for you or could actually be a Ponzi scheme or some other scam.
It sounds like people are really preying on seniors.
They are really preying on seniors. You have to be very careful. We really wish that law enforcement would do a better job of getting the word about these problems out there.
And what is this 876 scam?
Yeah, the 876 scam is named for the area code in Jamaica where the calls originate.
Oh.
They call seniors and tell them that they have won millions of dollars in a lottery or a sweepstakes, but they have to claim the winnings, they have to wire either a processing fee or taxes, and they convince you to do this, and seniors, like over 30,000 complaints.
If you are a senior and you think you are getting scammed, what recourse do you have? Who can be helpful?
The first thing you want to do, you might want to call your Attorney General's office to find out who the right people are. Anytime anyone approaches you about an investment that you didn't approach them, you want to make sure you check it out thoroughly, and you obviously don't want to give them any personal information.
Yeah, the FTC or the Better Business Bureau, there's a lot of different places that can be helpful.
Yeah.
Mandy Walker, thank you.
Sure, my pleasure.